guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you with a review of a Masqueology mask. Here I have the Masqueology Hyaluronic Gummy Modeling Mask. Ooh, my ring light. Right here. It says that it is intensive moisturizing and firming action. It's hydrating, firming, and brightening. The kit includes a mixing tray, a hyaluronic gel, activating powder, and a spatula. It's for all skin types. And it has the directions on the back. Let's see. Mix it yourself. Modeling mask goes on like a jelly and peels off like a gummy for intense hydration and firmer skin. And let's see. Cleanse the face to remove any makeup, oil, or environmental toxins. We did that. Open the pouch containing the hyaluronic gel. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and put this together and we will be right back to apply the mask. Here I am going to be taking everything out of the package. First is this white little box that it came with to mix all of the ingredients in. Right there. And next I'm going to go ahead and open the actual gummy part of the mask. It is a lot. I'm just waiting for myself to open it, you know. Still waiting. Get it together, Heather. Let's go. All right. Now we're just going to go ahead and squeeze out all of the gummy mixture into the little box. Kind of reminded me of slime. And after that is all done and out of there, we will go ahead and add the second ingredient, which is going to be the activating powder. This did get a little messy, so I would recommend doing this in a bathroom or over a sink, not at your vanity, but you know, we do it for the video. So here I am trying to open it. It's already making a mess. And we're just going to go ahead and add that into the mask mixture. Obviously, I'm having some issues. That goes right in there like that. And we're just going to go ahead and take that spatula and mix everything all together. Look at me being clean and wiping everything down. And now we're just going to go ahead and mix until the mixture is complete. And then we're going to go ahead and apply it. Alright, now that you saw us mix together all of the ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and put my hair up and apply the mask. It looks a little bit crazy right now, don't worry. Or don't mind me. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and try to apply it with the spatula first. It's really gummy. It's really, really cold. Okay, so now that we have it, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes until the mask solidifies into a gummy texture. Peel off mask carefully, working from outside in. Remove any remaining product with a damp washcloth. So I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and let this sit, and hopefully it will turn into a gummy paste. So I will see you guys in 15 to 20 minutes. Alrighty, so we are back. It's been about 15 minutes. The package did say it was going to get to a gummy paste, but it still kind of feels wet. But I'm going to go ahead and attempt to peel it off, and whatever doesn't come off, we're going to go ahead and wipe off with this cloth right here. So let me, I'm kind of nervous. Let's go here. Oh snap, it's actually peeling. Oh my god. Show you anything? No, it's just gummy. And your skin is still kind of wet underneath. And definitely wet, and oh, it's like falling off. It definitely gives your skin a glow underneath though, for sure. Let's go ahead. Ugh. I definitely don't like the texture. It's like a good, I just feel like there's so many other types of masks out there that like don't do this, or like is not this like messy, you know what I'm saying? Like this is just a little much. Okay, so that's that. We're gonna go ahead and dampen this right here. I'm just easily just moving this across my face. I'm not being harsh. I'm just ew, that was gross. Okay. So. I still have some on me. I definitely think this mask would be really good if you use it before you do your makeup, because it's honestly giving my skin a nice shine to it, and it does feel hydrated. I personally don't like the application and the whole process of the mask. Sometimes it'd be fun to like kind of like mix and create your own, you know, concoction and put it on your face, but I just want, what I look for in a mask is exactly what it's going to do to the skin. So it did hydrate my skin. It does feel really good, and it does look pretty glowy, but I don't think it's worth having to go through all that mess, because there's other masks out there, that Masqueology masks, you know, in particular, that you could just lay on and it'll have the same effect. So it does work, but I don't think that I'll be reaching for this again. I'm probably gonna just stick with my sheet masks and the little iPads and things like that that they sell with the same type of ingredients. So yeah, but my skin feels really good, so I'm happy about that. If you like these types of videos with product reviews and such, just let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to hit that subscribe.